As you can see, it's a bit of a faff. It turns out that the red backing goes on the windscreen first, that comes off, and then the white backing comes off, and that is where you attach the pedestal, and then basically all you have to do is attach the pedestal, and this is the hard bit actually. You have to withdraw the pedestal, all the air from the actual repair itself after you put the resin in, which takes quite a lot of force, and to be honest it's not the most substantial sort of syringe I've ever seen ever, so you could probably actually do with being quite careful. The clip, my clip came on the wrong way round as well, so it wasn't actually initially nesting where it needed to, so I just had to turn that around, which to be honest it's only a flimsy clip-on clip, so you just turn it around and that's fine.